ito, positive tsaka negative. I-add mo na lang to. Pwede naman yun eh. Elimination method naman. Ito kasing ginawa natin kanina, this is substitution method to. Pero, di ba sabi sa system of linear equation, you can do elimination and substitution method. Depende kung saan mas madali sa tingin mo. Sa case na ito, mas madali elimination. So, magkakaroon tayo ng, pag inad natin itong dalawa, magkakaroon na tayo ng x squared plus x squared. Anong sagot sa, pag inad natin ito, anong kakalabasan? Anong kalalabasan na ito, guys? Baka di marunong mag-add. Patay tayo dyan. That's correct. That is 2x squared yan, ha. Ibabasahin lang yan lagi, guys, ha. Pag binasa mo yan, alam mo gagawin. And 13 plus 5, that is 18. Then divide lang natin both by 2. Magkakaroon tayo ng x squared, which is equals to 18 over 2 is 9. Then square root lang natin both side. So remember, nag-square root tayo. Sabi sa'yo magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang solution, ha. So magkakaroon tayo ng plus minus 3. Equation kasi siya, guys. So dalawa yung sagot natin, isang positive 3 tsaka negative 3. Gets yun? Gets yun. So punta mo tayo sa x equals positive 3. Pa-plug natin yung sa either of the equation. So sa first equation na lang natin i-plug. So kunin natin yung x squared plus y squared equals 13. So plug lang natin si 3, magiging 3 squared. Then plus y squared equals 13. Then this will become 9 plus y squared, which is equals 13. Then y squared, which is equals to 13 minus 9, that is 4. Tama? Mabilis? Mabagal. 4 na lang yun. So magiging square root siya both sides. So magkakaroon tayo ng y, which is equals to plus minus 2. So meron tayong dalawang solution ulit, that is positive, negative 2. Pares lang. So check natin muna kung alin yung tama. Pag ginamit natin yung negative naman, pares lang yata ito. So magkakaroon tayo ng x squared plus y squared equals 13. Plug lang natin. Squared plus y squared equals 13. Then magiging 9 plus y squared equals 13. So pares lang siya, guys. Square root both sides. Okay na yung solution natin. That is plus minus 3. Then plus minus 2. Ayun na, checking na. No, checking. So let's say yung ito natin. Let's say, di ba yung solution natin is plus minus 3. Then plus minus 2. Pag chinek mo siya, pa-plug mo lang siya. So sa checking natin, let's say ang ginamit natin 3, 2. So magkakaroon tayo dyan ng sa first equation, x squared plus y squared equals 13. So magkakaroon tayo ng x, that is 3, then squared natin, plus yung 2, then squared natin. So magkakaroon tayo ng 13. This is 9, this is 4, this is equals to 13, and 9 plus 4 is 13, which is equals to 13. Sabihin tama. Check naman natin siya sa negative 3 and negative 2. So magkakaroon tayo ng x squared plus y squared equals 13. So magiging negative 3 squared plus negative 2 squared equals 13. This will become 9. This will become 4 equals 13. Then 13 is equals to 13. Tama rin. Try naman natin sila sa second equation. Squared na negative, boss, diretso positive na. Basta even yung even yung exponent. Kahit negative tong base, magiging positive yan. Pero kapag add yung exponent like cube, kung negative yung base mo, negative yung sign nun. Naintindihan mo? Dito yung nakabase sa add even ng exponent kapag negative yung base. Anyways, balik tayo. So let's say meron tayong 3, 2. Sa second equation tayo. That is x squared minus y squared is equals to 5. So yung x is 3, then squared natin, minus yung 2 squared natin equals 5. So magkakaroon tayo ng 9 minus 4 equals 5, and 5 is equals to 5. So check natin sa negative 3 and negative 2. So magkakaroon tayo ng x squared minus y squared is equals to 5. So magiging negative 3, squared lang natin, then negative 2, squared lang natin, equals 5. So this will become 9 minus 4 is equals to 5, and 5 is equals to 5. Sabihin tama. So ganun ginagawa yung system of non-linear equation.